We are in our final steps of creating our personal reading plan. So the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to assign the champion. The champion is the person providing the intervention, which most likely is you, but in case you're creating it for somebody else, what you're going to do is you're going to click in the box and you can start typing in the name, and it will filter out the options, and you just select the name of the person who is the champion. And then you're going to select the monitoring method. Now, the monitoring method is going to connect with the Act 20 tests, assessments that the students take. So for monitoring for first through third grade for Spanish and English, it is oral reading fluency or Spanish oral reading fluency. For kindergarten, for monolingual, it is going to be letter word sound fluency. And for kindergarten for dual language or for Spanish is going to be Spanish letter sounds fluency. All of those are listed on our data cheat sheet. So if you don't remember, you're not sure, you can always go and check that. That also has our percentile scores for our goals, which I will show you momentarily. It's also linked on this document for you, on this training for you. So for monitoring method, I have a second grader. So I'm going to start typing in oral reading, and then it shows me all of the different grade level options. I need to make sure to choose second grade. I leave the monitoring frequency at weekly. Now, this baseline score for the student is going to be the student's composite score from the Act 20 testing. So for first through third grade, it's just their ORF score. So let's say he had a score of 6. So I'll put that in for the baseline. And then the target score is going to be the score for spring, the 35th percentile for spring, which I know for second grade is 89. But I don't expect everybody to remember those. So again, this data cheat sheet, which is linked in the training, you can find all that information here. Just make sure you are on the correct grade and correct course, so dual language or mono. And then here you can see that it's oral reading fluency and that score is 89. And we have that for all the other grade levels as well. Right, so going back, I have the baseline and the target score. If I had more students, I would do this for all the students. And then everything else I leave blank. If you put anything in this section here, it has to be complete. The plan has to be completely deleted and recreated. So please don't fill it out. You're going to click Create Intervention. And you'll see the success page pop up. And we are going to do our final step, which is going to be adding team members. Okay, so you are going to go to the Manage Team button, and you need to make sure that your school psych is added to the list, your early literacy coach is added to the list, and then I'm also asking that you add myself, Katie Belangi, to the list. So if there's any issues, any of us can help you fix those problems or clean things up. Right, so again, you can start typing in the names to find the people to add. And then once you have found those people, you are just going to click Save. And they will get a notification saying that they've been added to this intervention plan team. Once you have done that, you are all done with creating the personal reading plan. Your next steps would be to send the personal reading plan to the parents. And you can find training on that in our roadmap document or from your early literacy coach.